Hi everyone, it's Miriam from Twinkl. Twinkl has lots of resources to help you celebrate Pride Month, engage children in their learning and spread awareness. So let's take a look at the variety of resources that you can use.
You can introduce Pride Month with this All About Pride PowerPoint. Pupils will learn what Pride is and how it is celebrated. This resource is a great way of introducing the topic in an educational way and can aid class discussion or an assembly on respect, equality or diversity. This can work alongside the Key Stage 1 Pride Differentiated Reading Comprehension activity. You can practice reading and comprehension skills while also learning all about the famous LGBT+ Pride events in an informative and age-appropriate way. This resource contains 3 differentiated fact files and corresponding comprehension questions. The answers are also included. This LGBT+ key terms and definitions poster and this child-friendly explanations for LGBT terms consist of commonly used terms to describe gender and sexual orientations using simple language to help when discussing LGBT issues with children. They can be used to support discussion around inclusive behaviour practices and anti-bullying. Why not decorate the classroom or home with Twinkl's Pride, banners and bunting? You could also get the children to create their own decorations using the Key Stage 1 Pride colour by number. Why not give it a go?
Until next time, bye for now!